People ask all the time, where do I start on my nutritional journey? Well, the first direction most people choose is enhancing their diet with fruits and vegetables. And there's nothing wrong with that. But when it comes to our body making transformation, you truly aren't going to get where you want to go unless you have the right fuels. And not that broccoli and spinach don't have the right fuels, but they don't have the nutritional value that the body needs to truly get nourished. Our design is a design of nature. Nature is known for its essential things, minerals being number one, vitamins that are truly rich, and amino acids that rebuild the body each and every day. Our ecosystem is a design of balance, and we have an ecosystem that's either red or green. We want to focus more towards that green ecosystem, which enhances our body's ability to thrive. So yes, your diet is very important, but nutrition is the most vital for making sure that you get to your destination with ease. And I always use an illustration when I talk with people. No rocket on its launch day gets to its destination without the right fuels. So what is it that you need when you start a journey of wellness? Well, you need nutrients. More importantly, you need the nutrients fit for your body. And when you find the nutrients fit for your body is when you truly gain homeostasis and balance. Come see your deficiencies. Find out what's burdening your body and make yourself well by putting the right nourishment into your body that it needs to thrive. Cheers. Thank you.